Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today we'll be focusing on how you can manage customer interactions inside our Sheetify CRM, which is an all-in-one Google Sheets toolkit. If you want to dive deeper into our Sheetify CRM or bookkeeping toolkit, what I'll do is add the appropriate tutorials down below in the description, which will dive into all the tools and features that our Google Sheets toolkits have to offer. Okay, so how can you stay up to date with and manage all your records interactions? Well, let's first navigate over to Contacts and Leads. This is where we can manage all our contacts, leads, and customers. This is essentially our main database. Now let's say that we just had a phone conversation with Nick Thomas. All we would do is click here, and to record details about that conversation we just had, navigate up to Sheetify, and then come down to Add Interaction. Then come down and record important interactions or notes. And that was the topic of conversation. We were discussing the right website package that would be suitable for this particular client. Once you've added the interaction you just had, click on Yes. And that will automatically generate the interactions sheet. You can see that the contact name has been added, as well as the account name, the note which we added, and then the timestamp across here, the date and time, and we can change this if we like. So again, all you need to do is navigate over to Contacts and Leads and locate the contact, and you can click anywhere on that specific row, and then Sheetify again and add interaction. Again, add your interaction. Then once you've done that, navigate down to Yes. And again, that's going to take you to interactions, and automatically the first name, account name, the note, and the timestamp will be added. You can also manually add an interaction. For example, click on account name, locate the account, the contact's name will be automatically generated, and then add your note and timestamp. And it's as simple as that to manage interactions with your contacts, leads, and customers. Again, if you want to learn more about our Sheetify CRM or bookkeeping toolkit, I will add the appropriate resources down below in the description. Now, if you got value from this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.